Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a PlayStation 5 disc not going in. First, let's cover some initial checks. Make sure your console is positioned correctly, either horizontally or vertically, as improper orientation can sometimes cause issues. Double-check that there isn't already a disc inside, as the console won't accept another. Finally, take a moment to gently inspect the disk drive slot for any visible obstructions like dust or debris. These simple steps can often resolve the problem quickly. Next, let's try a power cycle and check your software. Completely turn off your PlayStation 5 and unplug it from the wall for at least 60 seconds. This can often reset the system and clear minor glitches. Once it's back on, ensure your system software is fully updated, as new firmware often includes fixes for hardware issues. If problems persist, consider rebuilding the console's database in safe mode. It's a safe process that can resolve many underlying system errors. If the disk still won't go in, we can try a manual ejection and some cleaning. Consult your PlayStation 5's manual for instructions on how to manually eject a disk using the small screw. This can sometimes free up the mechanism. Also, ensure the disk you're trying to insert is perfectly clean, wiping it gently with a soft, lint-free cloth from the center outwards. Finally, try inserting a different, known good disk to help diagnose if the problem lies with the console or the original disk. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and your PlayStation 5 disc still isn't going in, it might be time to seek professional help. Contact PlayStation support directly. They can offer further diagnostics and guide you through repair or replacement options. Be sure to provide them with a detailed account of the problem and all the troubleshooting you've already completed. Remember, do not attempt to open the console yourself, as this could void your warranty and potentially cause more damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.